डिपार्टमेंट kan praduli ekta announcement kurna kushi ki jundu Medzifema laga jaga de idu area dule ekta schedule shutdown to power shutdown dule idu dule August 4 laga din pra shuru kurina August 6 laga din tak hobo aru dule phojir laga 6 baji bra phojir laga 9 baji tak idu date tak hobo kine bi dhan rakise ekta press release issue kurna thaka hisab te kontu executive engineer Dimapur transmission division bra kushi ki department pra janase temporary disruption dule idu do asol ekta 33 kV AP1 Medzifema transmission feeders kan kiule clear kuribole mane vegetation clearance kuribole karne idu disrupt to hobole ase kine bi dhan pra jankari di ase idu date tule agar bri kuidibo August 4 to 6 idone amala laga viewers kan kon khan Medzifema laga area especially AP1 feeder laga supply kan pai daga jaga de bole idu fine do diktar hobole ase kine bi amala laga viewers kan ke jankari di ase 20 installment Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi kuntule PM Kisan scheme koi idule parent aru Phek district te Saturday laga dinde mane ja kal laga dinde hoise kuntule farmers kan pra agriculture officers kan pra aru scientists kan pra bi hissa loise parent laga jaga de farmers day celebration come release juntu 20 installment PM Kisan scheme laga ase idu women's community hall Jaluki town te hoise bina jankari pai ase DIPR report laga hisab tule idu event to College of Veterinary Sciences laga dean pra attend kurise aru Central Agriculture University Jaluki Dr. I Shakuntala special guest thakise Dr. Zelege Dang thakise that district agriculture officer parent aru tule guest of honor thakise kine bi jankari pai ase idu program tule jointly organize kora do Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK parent Icar Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Region Nagaland Center Medzifema aru Agriculture Technology Management Agency ATMA parent kan pra kurishi kine jankari pai ase that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching the video. Blessed Sunday ahead.